This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Judgment Day. First, ensure all game components are ready. Each player selects a faction and their initial hand of cards. Then, carefully set up the game board as instructed in the rulebook. Finally, distribute starting resources and tokens to all players, preparing for the first turn. Understanding your turn is key to success. Players proceed in a clockwise order, ensuring everyone gets a fair chance. Each turn typically includes phases such as drawing new cards and activating units. During your action phase, deploy units and utilize their unique abilities. Remember to manage your resources wisely to play your most impactful cards. Combat is a central part of Judgment Day. When units clash on the board, compare their attack and defense values. Remember to apply any special modifiers or card effects. Players can also activate unique abilities to turn the tide of battle. Strategic positioning of your units is incredibly important for gaining an advantage and securing victory. To win Judgment Day, you must meet the specific victory conditions detailed in the game's rules. This often involves accumulating a certain number of victory points through strategic actions. Alternatively, some games are won by eliminating all opposing player factions. The first player to successfully achieve their victory conditions is declared the winner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.